In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with crafting quiz questions using ChatGPT. This process is perfect for educators, students, or trivia enthusiasts looking to create engaging and informative quizzes quickly. Let's dive in and explore how to do this efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Now, head over to chat.openai.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one. But for our purposes, let's assume you're already signed in and ready to get started. Now, it's time to choose a topic for your quiz. For today's demonstration, let's select World History, Ancient Civilizations. This topic offers a rich array of information, making it ideal for a quiz that's both challenging and educational. With your topic in mind, go to the chat box. Here is where you'll enter the prompt that will guide ChatGPT. Begin by typing, "Create 10 multiple-choice quiz questions about your topic." In this case, you'll fill it with ancient civilizations. Additionally, specify that you want each question to include 4 options labeled A through D, and ensure the correct answer is marked. You might want to consider the difficulty level. For this example, go for a medium difficulty to balance challenge with accessibility. Once you've entered your prompt, sit back and watch as ChatGPT drafts your quiz, complete with correctly marked answers. For example, you might see something like this. Which river was essential to the development of ancient Egypt? Followed by options A. Tigris, B. Euphrates, C. Nile, where C is the correct answer, and finally, D. Indus. If you're looking to deepen your understanding of each question, you can ask ChatGPT for explanations. Simply type in, "Add a short explanation," after each answer so I can learn. This adds context and enhances the learning experience by providing more detail on why the correct answer is what it is. Perhaps you want to modify the difficulty or even the format. That's completely doable. For example, you might want to make the questions harder or switch from a multiple-choice format to true-false questions. Just prompt ChatGPT with exactly what you're looking to do, like make the questions harder and use true-false format instead of multiple choice. Finally, to make your practice sessions more engaging, consider creating timed exercises. Prompt ChatGPT with, "Give me 5 quiz questions I should try to answer within 2 minutes." This adds an element of challenge and can be a fun way to test your knowledge against the clock. And there you have it. A straightforward way to create customized quizzes using ChatGPT. Whether you're using them for study groups, classrooms, or just for fun, following these steps will ensure you generate interesting and educational content. Happy quizzing!